I'm Suhaila. I'm from Smart Excel. We are very much specialized in solving word problem using model drawing. So today I'm going to share with you one P4 challenging questions that I do with one of my students today. So we'll share it today with you. 4 identical bottles and 3 identical jars are filled with 6,600 ml of water. A bottle can hold 5/8 as much as a jar. How much more water is there in a jar than a bottle? Alright. So we always go by 3 steps when we solve a model. The question. One is to identify the subject. The subject here is referring to what they talk about. So in these questions, it talks about the bottle. At the same time, they talk about the jar. So bottle and jar, so it will be 2 models. Okay. Alright. So now we know there's going to be 2 models. We have, let's get the keywords first. Okay. So the first one, they talk about the 4 identical bottles and 3 identical jars. And they mentioned that they are filled with 6,600 ml of water. Means this is the total. Alright, so this is the total. Then it tells you comparing with one jar. I mean the one bottle. The one bottle can hold 5/8 as much as your jar. So this 5 unit refers to your bottle, whereas your 8 unit refers to the jar. Okay. So now you need to find out how much more, means they are asking for the difference of water is there in a jar, in the bottle. Means they are comparing with one jar to one bottle. Okay, now we do the model. The model is 2. So we compare one bottle to one jar. Alright. From your one bottle to one jar is 5/8. Meaning your bottle, we do your one bottle here, is 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your one jar is 8 units. Okay, that is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Then after that, they say they have 4 bottles. So we do a setup model. So we're going to set it up. So we do a set model. So this is 1 bottle, 2 bottles, 3 bottles, 4 bottles. So we change this to 4 bottles. Okay. And we follow the line down to get the number of units. Alright. Then we have 3 jars. So we do as 3. And we add another 2 layers. Make it 3 and bring down the layers. Alright. Then they mentioned that it can fill 6,600 ml of water. Means all of this is 6,600 ml. Okay. In model, we always need to know the total, the equivalent. Okay. The equivalent that is given here, 6,600. What is the equivalent? So the equivalent is referring to the number of the total units. Okay. So how do we find the total unit? The total unit for your bottle, you have 4 bottles and 1 bottle is 5 units. So 5 units multiplied by 4 and you start with your 3 jars and 1 jar that's 8 units. So you have your 8 units we multiply by 3 jars. Okay. And that will give us 20 units here plus 24 units, which is equal to 44 units. Okay. So this 44 units is the total, which is equivalent to 6,600. So it's equivalent to 6,600 ml. Alright. And what do we need to find? We need to find the second is for us to label. We will label whatever information we have. Your 4 bottles, your 3 bottles, your 5 units, your 8 units, and your total. The last we need to find out is the question. We must indicate what you want to find out. Okay. The questions they ask you, get you to find, they want you to find the difference of there is how much more water is there in the jar, one jar, in a, then compare to your one bottle. So you're talking about one bottle here, which is 5 units, and your one jar here, which is 8 units. Means they're talking about the difference. Means it's this one. So it's 1, 2, 3 units difference. Okay, so we can find 3 units here. We always find for 1 unit, so it's 6,600. We divide by 44 and we multiply by 3. That's what we want. That's your question mark. So we multiply by 3, then this answer will give us 450 ml. So I hope you this video will be useful for you and your child. So I'll see you next.